Sterelitzia Nicolai at growplants.org. So this is easy plants to grow, super easy, and too much easy because it's start to be invasive in this area. I don't know if you can see, this is a flower. I choose you a small one, very important. It grows very high for hibiscus, but you need to know that it's easy to grow, so it's not a problem. Need full sun if you want to see the flowers. Without sun it's grow, but it doesn't bloom, so it's very important because this is a beautiful part. It's actually also called the bird of paradise, big flower, if I'm not mistaken. What do you need to know as for growing? So the season to plant it, it's most of the year actually. Spring is the best. Blooming, and we are now in the winter, so it's also bloom in the winter all year, but in cold climate won't bloom in the winter because it's too much cold. Try to get into the flower, it will be nicer. Just a second. Okay, so the flower itself, it's big as you see. In the winter they look less good, in the summer they look much better. But the problem is sometimes it's so high that you just don't see the flower anymore, so I recommend to just cut the old one. And as you can see, there is a daughter plants and they grow very easy. What else? Can survive a little bit frost, not too much. I wouldn't put it in so much cold area. And if you put it in colder area, put it directly in full sun because there it won't survive at all. The problem, okay, so pruning mostly it's the dead flower area. You see, it's not nice. I didn't prune it, but it's okay. It's really easy. Cut the old leaves. You see, this is the old leaf. You just cut it. Very easy. Except this, there is not so much to take care of it. Maybe I would consider to put something around this plant, because if you see, it just start to control all this area, and it's not something that we always want. So you should contain it, not in a pot, but even in the ground to destroy the daughter plants that it won't be. As you can see, you destroy the daughter plants. So sorry. I put something to try to prevent it. Nothing to prevent it. It's just to cut the plant when it's young. It's easier. And that's all at growplants.org. And don't forget to subscribe and of course like. I will show one last time the flower and I will let you